There we go.
It's sheep shearing day. You'll be much happier when you don't have a big summer sweater on.
Poor baby girl.
Just the baby's first sheep shearing. Oh, big yawn.
She says she'd rather be fed.
She's just growling at me. Growl, growl, growl. Hey.
Oh, you know, it's going to be so nice. If whatever's left long from this is going to be wonderful to spin.
Yep.
Just so nice.
You're going to love it.
Long wool, hand spinning long wool is like a dream.
Right.
Yes, it is. Maybe I get the bigger barn built so we can get more of Martha's sheep over here. She has such a lovely... Look at that. Look how golden it is. And this is why they call them the sheep of the golden fleece.
With your friend? Yeah. Nice, thick, beautiful wool. Long, long fibers. 4 naked sheep, ready for summertime. Hi, Gwenna. I don't have any food for you. Yes, you're sweetie. Yes, you can see now. Yes, you guys can see much better. Hi? Hey, Gwenna. Hey, girl. Yeah, you think I'm going to give you food? Yeah, you funny sheep. You knocked me on my butt. Yeah, stop yelling. How you going now? You're so sweetie. Yeah, you're a sweet girl.